Quiet on the set. This is a 1 down 4 up production cafe racer. Hello YouTubers, subscribers and friends, welcome to my channel. Well, this is the big fail attempt today. Took my bike out for a ride and I used my Fuji camera right here. I tried it yesterday on a different setup and the setup broke and my camera went flying and broke off a piece of camera right here and deleted whatever I was filming. So I tried a different setup today and the video worked. It didn't fall off, but this is the actual video right here. The video quality is terrible. I mean, my bike is so loud and vibrates so much, and the roads out here where I live are so bad that this is a terrible attempt. The audio didn't come out at all. I mean, you cannot hear me talking at all until the very end when I stop. And just a warning, turn down your volume. And I don't know, it's a 14-minute video. I went on a pretty good ride this morning. It was nice, 61 degrees out, a little nippy, but you know, once I got into it, I start feeling alright. So yeah, this is a warning that once the video starts, it's going to start out like this, look a little bit nice, but I don't know, the decibel sounds from my motorcycle exhaust, the straight pipes, are so loud. When I give it gas, whenever I rev it, it makes the video do really weird stuff, man. It's like traveling through a time warp or something. It's an interesting video. The scenery is beautiful. The roads are completely just shot out here where I live. They're terrible. There's so much vibrations, and you can't hear me talking at all. What I'm saying though, when I'm going through the dirt roads, is the reason I'm taking the dirt roads. I want to see how the bike is going to react, how it's going to move, how I'm going to bounce around on it, so I could get a feeling. You know, because the roads in Tucson are really bad. So these roads out here where I live are even worse than what's in Tucson. So if I can ride it with no problem out here in these roads and drive it through Tucson, it's got no problem for me. So, and then I ride through sand and stuff like that because I want to see how the tires are going to react. But this is just a warning. Turn down your volume or just mute it because you can't hear me talk. You hear the motorcycle is really loud. It sounds good when I'm riding. I can't hear myself yelling though. It's so loud. And yeah, you're going to see some really weird distortion in this video. But like I said, this is a video test. I don't own a GoPro or a Ghost camera. I don't any kind of action. The only action camera I have is that Fuji, and that's not even really action. That's not designed for moto vlogging. But I wanted to test it out and, you know, give me an idea. I got a kind of idea what kind of camera I want to get. It's not a Ghost. It's not a Ghost Strip. It's not a GoPro. It's something else I found on the internet. But until I can get that, this is my first attempt at moto vlog. But it is a big failed attempt. And if you want to watch a big failed attempt, well, continue with the video. On with the video. Test vlog. YouTubers, subscribers, and friends. We're going to see if we can get this thing going here. I'm going to get my bike started. Kind of chilly this morning, 61 degrees. And I got no kill switch. That's my kill switch right there. Gas. Yeah, so I'm riding blind. I got no speedometer. I got no RPM gauge. I got no fuel gauge. I tested it yesterday, and we're gonna have to see how this test ride turned out. Riding blind. I'm going. Keep going.